In this video, we're going to talk about getting addresses in a local language from a pair of coordinates. Our API by default returns responses in English, but it can also return responses in different languages based on data availability. In this example here, I've entered the coordinates for the White House in Washington, D.C. And when we pass this request, we see that the API returns a response in English. But if we'd like this response in a different language, let's say French, we can use the accept language parameter here and enter the code for French, which is FR, and pass this query. We see that the API returns the response in French. If we want the same response in Spanish, we can use the code for Spanish, which is ES, and pass this query, and we see that the API returns the response in Spanish. Now, if we'd like the API to return the response in the native language, by default, we can use the code native and pass this query, and we see that the API returns this in the native language, which is English here.